uphinde ungibone, uphinde you see me, never again. My electricity bill, it's plus minus 5k 6k a month, but since I had these devils, these, it has gone beyond 12k a month. 4 sec, no more, ever. I guess I'm not that rich. 4 sec, I am never again. You, underfloor, ngamani ngizoba simbawula. I'm gonna have a mbawula in the house, rather. Oh, Jehovah, hey. This thing is not for the us. It's not for the us. It's for the Mutsipes. Yes, and the Radam Shungni says, oh,